Hello everyone, welcome back to the channel. In this video I'm going to walk you through an easy step-by-step guide on how to buy Solana meme coin on Palmpay wallet. So to get started with the guide, so the best thing to do is to install the Palmpay wallet on your device. So once that is done, then you can click on the hard sold to Palmpay wallet, then buy the Solana from the Binance, Coinbase or any other exchange, then send sold to your Palmpay wallet address. Then after that you have to find the meme coin you want to. So go to the bideyes.sold or can also go to coinmarketcap.com to find the meme coin. Can also go to the bank or Swift or podcast, then copy the correct token address from there. Then once open the swap in Palmpay wallet, then open the Palmpay wallet. After that you have to click on swap icon, then select token. So from the Solana to paste the meme coin taking address, then the bank. Then after that you have to type how much so you want to swap from the meme coin, then review the estimated amount you want to receive. Then after that you have to confirm and swap. So click review order, then click on swap to confirm and approve the transaction. And that's how you can simply buy Solana meme coins on Palmpay wallet. Find the video helpful, turn on the notification button and subscribe for more.